Hello friends, welcome to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to make a very traditional South Indian dish. It's called Paruppu Usli. It is made with moong dal, this yellow dal, and with green beans. I'll be sharing the recipe. Paruppu Usli. The ingredients for Paruppu Usli are moong dal 2 cups, green beans 3/4 kg if fresh or frozen 2 bags, red chilies 5 numbers, salt 3 teaspoons, cooking oil and spices as shown in the video. Paruppu Usli is a traditional South Indian Tamil dish. It's high in protein and fiber. It's tasty and liked by several people. As a side dish, it's a good combo with sambar rice, rasam rice, etc. I've soaked this moong dal for at least 4 hours and now I'll be putting it in the mixer blender. Soaked 2 cups of moong dal. Now I'll be grinding it because this is a very tasty dish. We like it. We prepare it in little quantity. We eat it the next day also. It's really very tasty. So I've put it in this and I've added 5 red chilies. Should be good. So I have ground this nicely. You can grind it a bit coarse, or even if it is a bit fine, it doesn't matter. The end product will be nice. And normally people put this in idli plates to steam it. I'm going to do a new method which my mother-in-law has taught me. In fact, this entire thing, which we make from this dal is taught by my mother-in-law. Traditionally, they make from arhar dal. So this is with moong dal, and I'm going to steam this. You can see, put this into a plate. This is the plate I've taken, and I'm going to just apply a bit of oil all around it. So you can see this is not very thick batter. It's at this consistency. Okay, and I will be steaming this with, I'll be removing all that entirely with a spoon. Take the kadhai, put water in it, and keep a steamer plate on top of that. We have some plate, all of us in our house, and keep this on top of that and close it with a lid. So I have taken 2 frozen packets. The frozen packs come in this kind of size, whereas I needed little more smaller, so I have cut it. It's a bit of work, but in India you have to do different kinds of work. So it has taken me 14 minutes and now you can see it's done. Take a fork, dip it in water, just see like this. It has to just stand. It means this dal has been cooked. I have removed that dal and it has cooled. I just love to make these like into barfi pieces, though I'm going to grind it later. I'll show you that. And in the meanwhile, I've taken that same kadhai and added in a little bit of water my green beans, and I'll be adding 1.5 teaspoons salt and nicely cooking it. I love to cut this dal like this. Looks like barfi, but it's not. And if you want, you can eat it as it is. It's very tasty. The beans have been cooked nicely. I'll now put it in the strainer. Take the kadai, same one. This is the 3rd time I'm using it. Put little oil, as little as you can. Mustard seeds spluttering. This has drained well. Put it in this. And now we'll remove the moisture for some time. It has salt in it. This dish has no haldi. Look at the flavor. It has taken me about 15 minutes to cook the dal, and while the dal was cooking, I cut the vegetables, and the vegetables, once they are done, I have put it in the kadai. This has cooled well. I've taken my food processor and put it in this. I'll be just making it into fine granules. Something which I have learned to use, this food processor. You can see the dal has become so well. I'll put it in the kadai now. See here now, the moisture has gone. You can see the bottom. There's no water. This is the small first lot I've done just to show you. Now put it in this. Like this. There is more over here. This I will be grinding and adding. You can see how it's becoming. Here's the second lot which I've added. Forgot to tell you, while grinding this, add 1 teaspoon oil, so that it separates. High protein, high yummy, low fat, no oil, whatever good qualities you want it has. Those who have kadi patta can add it at this stage. It's very important. Kadi patta gives too much flavor, so much health. A huge quantity, yummy, ready. For those who are starting to learn cooking, or for those young children who are just married and doing, cooking is not going to happen in 5 minutes the way it is shown in videos. It takes time, it takes effort, and you need to have the passion to cook lovely food and feed your family. Homemade is best.
Please press the like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. Press the bell icon to keep you informed about our new postings. Your comments help us to improve. Thank you.